long time no haul. You know how long I've been waiting to say that? Y'all haul. It rhymes and it's funny because I said so. Anyways, hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Guys, how long has it been since I've been able to share a haul with you guys? With the holidays, we just kept doing teeny tiny trips to the store, no major trips. So now I finally have a 2-week grocery haul for you guys. The only thing missing is some of the meat products that we needed to get. And then of course some of the snacks that we did get for the kiddos, I just kind of already put away because I'm not even going to calculate the points on them because then I will be tempted to try and eat them and I cannot. So, alright guys, real quick, a little bit of information about my WW journey. I have been on Weight Watchers for 2 years. I currently follow the personal points plan, which means I get 32 points per day, and I want to say 40 something weeklies, but I try really, really hard not to use those. But I do know I definitely get 32 points per day. All the points on these are calculated based on my personal points plan, so make sure you do double check for yourself if you decide to partake in any of the goodies that I'm about to show you. All right, who is ready? Keep shaking the table. All right, okay. Let's go ahead and get started. I do have a couple new finds that I am so excited to show you today. Very excited, but we're not going to start with them because, you know, I don't really know why, just because they're not right in front of me and I can't reach them yet, so there's that. All right, few of the baking goods. We needed some more ground black pepper, so we got a big old container of it. We needed some honey. This is 1 tablespoon for 4 points. We needed to restock on our onion powder and our garlic powder. And then our Italian seasoning. However, have any of you guys ever looked and looked and looked to see if you had a specific seasoning? You couldn't find it, so you go out and buy more, and then as soon as you get home, you find the one you thought you were out of. Yeah, I have so many things of Italian seasoning because that's the one that gets me every time. Okay. Then we needed some white cooking wine. I've got a great big huge thing of beef broth. Normally I would get this at Costco or Sam's Club, but we're just not going to have time to go into town this week. So, well, maybe next week, I don't know. But anyways, beef broth from Walmart today. And then I've got chicken broth from Walmart as well. And this is the lower sodium one. We got a bag of the 15 bean soup. Guys, this is so yummy. It does have the ham seasoning packet in it. I don't know if you can see that there. Normally for our ham and beans, we get the can of beans, but we couldn't find it. We still can't find it. Like, I feel like the grocery stores are running out of some really weird stuff, and there's no rhyme or reason to it. But anyways, we picked up a bag of this last week, and we soaked it in water and made our ham and beans with this, and it was so much better. So much more flavor, so much better texture, and it makes a ton more, and it's less expensive. So, yeah. This is our new go-to for ham and bean soup. I found these for the kiddos. I couldn't even figure out how to point them, so I don't know what they are. If y'all can figure it out, let me know. I probably won't eat any, but kids are home this week because we are quarantining. Well, the kids are from school. I wanted to make sure they have easy to make food. So I've got some of the Cheeto macaroni and cheese. This is the original flavor. Then this is the jalapeno cheese flavor. And this is the flaming hot cheese flavor. I don't know what it is, but my kids are obsessed with hot, spicy food. I like it once in a while, but not as much as them, and I don't remember liking it as much as they do when I was their age. I don't know. Then I got a packet of onion gravy. This was very difficult to find, and the only reason we found this is because we were being stubborn and we dug through all the other gravy types and found this in the back of it. So, yeah, onion gravy. We got 2 things of the butter and herb Idahoan potato mixes. This is for a recipe that I'm making this week, and it is 1/4 of a cup for 4 points. Got this for Mr. Chaos's birthday. I don't know point values, but it is his favorite cake, so I was going to get it no matter what. We've got the German chocolate cake mix. And then the rich and creamy coconut frosting to go on top of it. Also for Mr. Chaos's birthday, I got a big thing of the lasagna noodles for his favorite meal. He loves lasagna, and I like making the skinny crock pot lasagna. It's the only kind I can make. The other kinds always get ruined, so I don't know. But anyway, so we're doing German chocolate cake and lasagna for his birthday. Then I needed some more white instant rice. I don't know if I did point values on this. I did not. So we needed some horseradish for one of our recipes. Isn't that the cutest little container? It was a little bit more pricey than the great big container, but we don't eat horseradish a whole lot, so it wasn't worth buying a great big container. So we paid extra for the little one, which I'm fine with. For canned goods, I've got savory vegetable barley. This is 1 point for 1 cup, or you can have the whole can for 3 points. Then this is the light Progresso Italian style wedding, and it is 1 cup for 2 points, or the entire can for 3. Then we've got the chicken pot pie. It is 1 cup for 2 points, or the whole can for 4. This is one of my favorites. And then we've got the chicken and dumplings. This is 1 cup for 1 point, or you can have the entire can for 2 points. I got 3 cans of cannellini beans for a recipe that we're working on this week. And then I got 2 cans of the 99% fat-free cream of chicken soup. And I can't remember exactly what recipes I got all of this stuff for. I really need to start sharing my weekly menu with you guys so I can actually tell you what I'm using it for, but I'm not that coordinated yet. I've got some garlic and herb Laughing Cow cheese. This is 1 wedge for 1 point. We've got some fat-free cottage cheese. I'm going to be using this for Steve's lasagna. However, if there's any left, it is a 1/2 cup for 2 points, and that's what that looks like. My go-to cheese slices. These are the Velveeta cheese slices, and they are 1 for 1 point. We needed some fresh Parmesan. This is 1/4 of a cup for 4 points, and this is the kind I like to get. My favorite cheese slices. These are the Velveeta cheese slices. We've got the cheddar flavor. And then we've got the original flavor. These are 1/4 cup for 2 points. And I like these better than the fat-free cheeses because they are rich in flavor, they are creamy, and they melt really well. Velveeta doesn't make mozzarella cheese. So I have this low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese, the Great Value brand, and it is 1/4 of a cup for 3 points. They did not have the fat-free, which is okay. I'll just adjust the recipes to fit what I have. I needed some more cotija cheese or cotija. I don't know how to say it. I needed some more of this cheese, and it is 2 teaspoons for 1 point. This is for a Mexican recipe, obviously, that we're going to be making, but this is really good for Mexican street corn and Mexican street corn casserole. I love it, so I'm really excited to try it on the new recipe that I planned for this week. I just wish I could remember what the recipe was. We needed some Fritos queso dip. This is 2 tablespoons for 1 point. I did not realize this was so low in points. It's kind of impressive if you ask me. Then we got some Tostitos bite-sized chips, and these are, what did I want to say? 24 chips for 5 points. These are one of the things that went up in points since I changed over to the personal points plan. And then Steve wanted these Good Thens. These are the jalapeno and lime, and it's 38 chips for 4 points. For breakfast, I got the cookies and cream Quest bars. These are 1 bar for 4 points. And then that leads me to my new find for the week, guys. These are the Pure Protein Puffs, and this is brick oven pizza flavor. These have 18 grams of protein in each bag, and each bag is only 3 points. I am so excited to try these. Oh, it has the flavors on it. Let me put my glasses on. I can tell you what the other flavors are. So we've got nacho cheese, scorching hot. Of course, my kids would love those, right? And then the brick oven pizza flavor. So 18 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar. That is awesome. Next, I've got some Great Value whole wheat bread. This is 1 for 1 point or 2 for 2 points. I did not realize that the Great Value bread was so low in points. Like, there's no reason for me to spend $4 on half a loaf of the keto bread when it's the same point value as that. But I guess maybe the nutritional value might be different. I don't know, but it seems like I don't eat wheat bread that often. I like my I like my live carb bread the best. So I did need some Hawaiian bread. So this is the Lewis Hawaiian bread. I don't know if you guys have tried this or not, but it is really good. All right, let's get into the produce. 2 lemons. See how I got fancy there? I know. Don't worry, you'll get there someday. I got 2 jalapenos. All right, guys, tell me, does this look gross? I don't remember minced garlic and water looking this dark. But I don't know, maybe I got a different kind last time, but they were all like this, so I just grabbed one. But look how dark it is. Isn't that weird? Maybe it's just me. I wouldn't be surprised if that were the case too. I don't know. I needed some more herbs. These are the partially freeze-dried herbs. This is the parsley, and then I needed some cilantro. I love to use these as toppers for my recipes instead of sprinkling the fully dried herbs on top. I feel like these last a really long time and they pack just a little bit more flavor than the fully dried herbs. Needed some more onions, so I got a great big bag of those. A bag of frozen corn. Frozen sweet peas. And then I got a big bag of the pink lady apples. Next to the Honeycrisp apples, those are my favorite. Needed some cherry tomatoes. I hated to pay $5 for this teeny tiny little thing when I know if I had time and could go to Sam's Club, I could get one twice this for $5. But I did, and I know they'll be good. So much money. We needed a red onion. If anybody needs me to show them what the red onion looks like, let me know and I'll figure out a way to show you, but yeah. I got 3 cucumbers, and I'm going to use those for my salads. 2 Granny Smith apples. We needed leeks. Now these are kind of a weird one, so I'll show you. I think these are like great big huge giant green onions. I've never made anything with them before. Look at that. They smell like green onions, so yeah, I'm kind of excited to figure out how to use these and add them to the recipe, of course, which I can't remember. I got a bag of cut up cauliflower. The recipe called for a head of cauliflower, and I'm not in the mood to cut vegetables this week, so I got a bag. I cheated. I'm allowed. Then I got a bag of celery. I know this is more expensive than buying the full stalks, but again, it's a matter of convenience, and I find my family is more willing to grab these and eat them than they are the stalks because they don't want to take the time to cut it, and I don't take the time to meal prep my vegetables like I should. Got a great big bag of broccoli. I'm going to be doing some roasted broccoli with this, and then I also like to add this to my salad. Now my salads are one thing that I do meal prep. I get a great big huge bowl. I cut up cucumbers, I put tomatoes in it, whatever else I feel like, and I just keep that in the fridge and grab a little bit each day. And for my salad, I love using the 50-50 spring mix and baby spinach mix. This is my favorite. All right, let's see. Personal care items. We needed some cotton balls, but Walmart only had like the little teeny tiny like 96-cent bag, and those aren't big enough for anything. I'd use 3 of them. So I thought I would try these exfoliating ovals. They're oval shaped and they're supposed to be lightly exfoliating. They were only a couple bucks, so yeah, thought I'd try them. Kiddos needed some more melatonin. This is a great deal. The 2-pack is only $2 more than buying 1 bottle. So yeah, had to get that. Then I love this Nivea In-Shower Body Lotion. This is wonderful. You just put it on while you're in the shower, rinse it off, and it is so moisturizing, which we all know we need for this time of year. And speaking of needing for this time of year, their hauls were on sale, so I got some of the Halls honey lemon flavor, and then I got the honey vanilla flavor. All right, that is it for personal care. Now I have some meat. I had to get center cut bacon. Guys, this is 17 ounces and it was just under $12. This is 2 slices for 2 points. Yes, I know You can use turkey bacon, which is fine, but I didn't want to get it at Walmart. I'm stubborn, and I only want to buy turkey bacon from Sam's Club because you get the great big huge box of it. So yeah, my stubborn butt paid $12 for the center cut. I don't know. And then I got some turkey smoked sausage. This is the skinless, and I did point it out too. It is 2 ounces for 4 ounces. 2 ounces for 4 ounces. How you like that? It's 2 ounces for 4 points. Ta-da! Then we needed a chuck roast. This is 4.45, or this is 2.18 pounds, and it was $9.74. And then I needed a pork roast, and this is 2.68 pounds for $9.17. This is another thing that I would really rather get at Costco or Sam's Club because you can get the great big huge long ones for like $7. But we're not going that way. So yeah, I don't know. The price you pay for shopping at one store, I guess. Alrighty, that is everything that I got for my Walmart grocery haul. If you guys need any other nutritional information or have any questions about anything that I showed you today, please don't hesitate to ask down in the comments. I will get back to you as quickly as possible. I hope you all have a fantastic week, and until next time, keep smiling. Bye.